So we have a hole like this from a plastic anchor. In order to fix this very fast, efficient, and without any dust, I'm going to be using 3M product called Patch and Primer, which allows me to fill this hole in 2 coats. Dries pretty quickly. My first coat, my heavy coat, will probably dry in about 30 minutes or so. I need to make sure I get rid of all this loose paper. This is bad. This paper is not going to let me do a very good job with my patch. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut everything this way so my knife pushes through the paper the way so I don't create any craters. Always, angle your knife towards the outside of the hole, and look what I get here. Doesn't have to look like anything, but the paper should be cut this way. Your knife needs to be sharp. Okay, if you can see, this is a very, very, smooth prep work. Now I'm ready for my primer. This is what it looks like. And basically it's, patch and primer all in one, just like, what it says. Here's what I'm doing with my first coat. I apply it. It doesn't have to look perfect. I kind of like push it towards one side and wipe everything off towards the other. So push it in and wipe it off. And that's it. This is your first coat. Now we come back to this hole in like 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm back. This is already dry. Really, really smooth, almost perfect. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply another quick coat. So now what we're gonna need to do is just wait and then clean it up, and it's ready for paint.